Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing how much time you spend watching YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the YouTube app and tap on your user icon in the top right corner of the home page. Select Time Watched from the menu. At the top of the page here, you can see your daily average time watched. You can also see your time watched today and last 7 days. There is also a graph here to show the last week of time watched. If you scroll down the page, you can turn on the toggle to remind me to take a break, and choose a time that you would like to be reminded to take a break after. You can also turn on the toggle to remind me when it's bedtime, and choose your bedtime. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.